Good morning, everybody. How are you today? Today, the lesson is multiplying of a rational. If I have two rational numbers, A over B and C over D are two rational numbers, then A over B multiply C over D equal multiplying numerator and multiplying denominator, up by up and down by down, A by C over B by D. For example, find the result of each of the following samples to form. Number 1, 4 over 5 by 3 over 8, multiplying numerator and multiplying denominator. Then 3 by 4 over 5 by 8 equal 12 over 40. And simplify it, divisible by 4, then 12 becomes 3 and 40 becomes 10. Number 2, negative 7 over 8 by 4 over 14 equal multiplying numerator and multiplying denominator. Then negative 7 by 4 over 8 by 14 equal negative 7 by 4 equal negative 28, 8 by 14 equal 112. Divisible by 28, divided 28 up and down. Then negative 28 becomes negative 1 and 112 becomes 14. Number 3, 25% by negative 3 over 4. Convert 25% to fraction. Okay, then 25% equal 25 over 100 by negative 3 over 4, the same. Then 25 by negative 3 over 100 by 4 equal negative 75 over 100, divisible by 25, then negative 3 over 16. Number 4, negative 1.5 by negative 0.2. Convert mixed number to fraction and decimal number to fraction. Negative 1.5 becomes negative 3 over 2. Negative 0.2 equal negative 2 over 10. Then negative 2 by negative 3 over 2 by 10 equal negative 2 by negative 3 equal positive 6 over 20. Divisible by 2, the result is 3 over 10. Now, properties of multiplication operation in Q. Number 1, closure property. What's the meaning of closure? If I have A over B and C over D belong to Q, then the result of multiplication rational number belong to Q. For example, 2 over 13 and 3 over 13 belong to Q. Then 2 over 13 by 3 over 13 equal 6 over 13 belong to Q. Number 2, commutative properties. What's the meaning of commutative? Change places. If A over B by C over D equal C over D by A over B belong to Q. For example, 2 over 9 and 4 over 9 belong to Q. Then 2 over 9 by 5 over 9 equal 5 over 9 by. Number 3, associative property. What is the meaning of associative? Brackets with grouping. If A over B and C over D and E over F belong to Q, then A over B by C over D by E over F equal, with brackets, group A over B by C over D and by E over F equal A over B by, with bracket group, C over D by E over F. Okay, for example, 2 over 5 by, with grouping, 3 over 5 by 4 over 5 equal, with grouping, 2 over 5 by 3 over 5 and by 4 over 5. Okay, equal 24 over 125. Number 4, identity element of multiplication. Okay, identity element of multiplication is 1. If A over B belong to Q, then A over B by 1 equal 1 by A over B equal A over B. For example, 2 over 3 by 1 equal 2 over 3. So, multiplicative identity is 1. Number 5, multiplicative inverse. Inverse versus. Inverse versus. If A over B belong to Q, then B over A is inverse of the rational number. For example, 2 over 3 inverse equal 3 over 2. Negative 5 over 6 inverse negative 6 over 5. Then the multiplicative inverse of the number 1 is 1. And the multiplicative inverse of the number negative 1 is negative 1. Okay? Number 6, distributing property. Okay? What is the meaning of distributing? Distribute the rational number with 2 each of number. Okay? A by with bracket A plus B equal. Now we see two operations, multiplication and addition. So we can distributing property equal A by A plus A by C. For example, B plus C by A. Then B by A plus C by A. Two operations, adding and multiplying. For example, 5 over 11 by 6 over 7 plus 5 over 11 by 1 over 7, which is a common fraction or common rational number. 5 over 11 by, okay, so we take 5 over 11 by, open bracket, the left number 6 over 7 plus 1 over 7. So 5 over 11 by 6 plus 1 equals 7 over 7. Then 7 over 7 equal 1. Then 5 over 11 by 1 equal 5 over 11. Example 2. Complete the following. Two over 3 by negative 4 over 5 equal negative 4 over 5 by what? Change placing. Then by 2 over 3. The code is properties. What? Commutative properties. Okay. Number 2. 2 over 3 by 3 over 2. Reverse fraction equal 1. Then properties is called what? Multiplicative inverse. 7 by what over 7 equal 1. 1 over 7. Okay. Number 4. 1 by negative 7 over 5 equal negative 7 over 5. 1. Called properties is identity multiplicative or multiplicative identity. Next, the rational number which has no multiplicative inverse is the number has no multiplicative inverse is 0. Okay, multiplicative identity in the Q is 1. Multiplicative inverse of the number negative 3 over 5 versus fraction, but not a change sign, is negative 5 over 3. The multiplicative inverse of the number 1 is 1, and the multiplicative inverse of the number negative 1 is negative 1. Next, for example, use the distributing property to find the value of the following. Distributing property. Okay. Number 1, 9 over 17 by 21 minus 9 over 17 by 4, which is the common fraction 9 over 17 by, and I have two operations, by and subtraction, by and minus. So we take 9 over 17 by is the common denominator. Okay, by the left number 21 minus 4 with bracket. 21 minus 4 equals 17. Then 9 over 17 by 17 equal 9. Number 2, 7 over 12 by 5. Negative 7 over 12 by 3 plus 7 over 12. Haven't by. Remember it. Don't forget the common fraction and the cross and put 1. Okay? Common fraction 7 over 12. Cross multiplying. Okay, put 1 in the fraction common having number. Then 7 over 12 by 5 minus 7 over 12 by 3 plus 7 over 12 by 1. Okay, take a common fraction 7 over 12 by and open bracket 5 minus 3 plus 1 equal 7 over 12 by 3 equal 7 over 4. Thanks.